Alright guys, here we go. We're now departing Larkspur. Next station stop, San Rafael.
Please have your valid fare available for inspection. Tenga su tarifa válida disponible para su inspección.
Huh. The announcer on this train started to speak Spanish.
Thank you for choosing Smart. Gracias por elegir Smart. Next station, San Rafael. Próxima estación, San Rafael.
Huh, they started to put some Spanish on the announcements. And now we're going into a tunnel. There goes the DMU cars making the diesel sound.
How's it going?
Good. And here comes the railroad crossing. The train's not gonna blow the horn here because it is currently a quiet zone. And you see a sign that says no train horn. Trains were going so slow. I don't know why. Alright, this is San Rafael. There's a signal flashing green, and now it will turn red. There's another quiet zone.
Arriving at San Rafael Station. Llegando a la estación de San Rafael.
It's not on me, but it's on my conscience.
Huh. The driver blew the horn in the quiet zone. Huh. The driver honked in the quiet zone. Two tracks at the San Rafael station. There's a no train horn sign that indicates it's the quiet zone. There's Best Buy. Now approaching San Rafael. Alright, this is San Rafael.